说英语吗？
英文。
Yes.
Yes. Oh, good. This is beautiful. Did you make it?
这个画很漂亮，是你们自己画的吗？
Yes.
你们可以介绍一下你们的画吗？用英文介绍。
好，这边呢是
The building,
Yes.
building,
And the dress.
the dress.
And all the best with your school.
祝咱们的学校一切顺利，祝同学们学业顺利。
In Samoa.
希望你们以后有时间能够到萨摩亚来访问。
Yes.
Come to Taizhou. This is a one book collection of the school, and hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
主持人老师，请举个手。
也是派出了3个政府代表团到萨摩亚访问，去过的人都讲，咱们萨摩亚自然环境优美，风俗文化独特，人民热情好客。正如苏格兰著名作家
4 consecutive years in China.
泰州是一座历史文化古城，泰州地处江苏中部，长江北岸。泰州人民向大家的到来表示热烈的欢迎。总理阁下的采纳，我们愿意在此基础上继续推动双方各项实质性交流。
Taizhou Zhentai Group is actively participating in the construction of schools in Samoa, and we are pleased to hear it's thriving with a production capacity of 20 gigawatt-hour in power and energy storage battery. The Shenzhen Group, Your Excellency will visit tomorrow, is taking the lead in energy storage batteries industry.
Your province has significant history. Obviously, your development achievements are very successful.
And Samoa has been adopted by Your Excellency Prime Minister. And cooperation in the following aspects within the framework of
Kindly came to the hotel so that we were able to have a meeting.
今天下午呢，我们有幸到泰州职业技术学院访问，那么很遗憾没有能够访问小学，但是小学。
萨摩亚国立大学附属。
of the National University of Samoa and Party Secretary of Taizhou Polytechnic College.
劳伊布拉代表萨摩亚教育。
Let's welcome the Minister.
让我们用热烈的掌声祝贺签约圆满成功。接下来，请萨摩亚财政部长阁下。And the privilege to sign this agreement on behalf of the Ministry of Education, the government of Samoa.